You're watching Markets for your daily video cast that covers market news and share trading signals by expert. I'm Yu Chang. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell on Friday as a result of budget fears after politicians in Washington could not make a deal only days before the 1st of October deadline, leading to the possibility of a default. The greenback ended the day 1.3520 to the euro and 98.19 to the yen. Today's data includes Chicago PMI, which is expected to rise to 54 in September, and Dallas Fed manufacturing activity. Next to the euro. The euro fell on Friday after Italian borrowing costs rose on fears of political instability after fears the government might break out if Silvio Berlusconi's party followed through with their threat to walk out of the Senate if their leader was expelled on charges of tax fraud. The single currency ended the day 1.3520 to the dollar and 132.79 to the yen. Today's data includes German retail sales, which is expected to show 0.6% annualized rise in August. British pound. The pound rose on Friday after comments from the BOE Governor Carney, in which he said that the more QE was unnecessary because of the strong pace of the recovery. Sterling ended the day 1.6135 to the dollar and 0.8377 to the euro. Today's data includes manufacturing PMI in September, which is expected to show a rise to 57.5 from 57.2 previously. Japanese yen. The yen fell on Friday after both data and commentary supported the outlook for the Japanese economy, with inflation figures showing a higher than expected rise in CPI in August, reinforcing the view that the government's economic policies were successfully combating deflation. The yen ended the day at 98.19 to the dollar and 158.49 to the pound. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signal from expert of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.3525 with 1.347 and 1.3455 as next targets. The upside penetration of 1.3525, which will call for 1.355 and 1.357. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.6105 with 1.6195 and 1.6223 as next targets. The downside penetration of 1.6105, which will call for a slide towards 1.608 and 1.604. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 98.25 with 97.65 and 97.4 inside. The upside penetration of 98.25, which will call for a rebound towards 98.55 and 98.85. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.